Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Now it's time again for another Leetcode challenge. This time we're solving Leetcode number 938, range sum of BST. This one is an easy problem. Let's deep dive in the description here and take a look on what it is about. The description says, given the root node of a binary search tree and two integers, low and high, return the sum of values of all nodes with a value in the inclusive range, low and high. What the question is asking is basically to give us sum of numbers that falls in between low and high, inclusive. So they give us a binary search tree here as an example, 10, 5, 3, 7, 15, and 18. And the expected output is 32. The explanation is nodes 5, 7, nodes 7, 10, 15 are in the range between 7 and 15 inclusive. So 7 plus 10 plus 15 equals to 32. The other example here follows the same pattern. Let's use the first one to guide us. So it's a tree problem, and usually tree problems they ask for recursion. So we're going to use DFS to solve this problem. Okay, let's deep dive here in the code. I'm going to leave the example here. What we're going to do is we're going to walk the tree and search for the elements that fall in that range, which is between low and high. Let's simply return DFS. It's going to be a root, low, and high. So our DFS magic function will return the sum, which is going to be the result. So private int DFS 3 nodes root, low, actually int low and int high. First thing here, as we are using recursion, is to finish a recursion. The end of our recursion is if the node is equal to null. If it is equal to null, we simply return 0, as there is nothing to calculate here. Let's, for example, here we go down the tree, we find 3 here, and then we try going left and right, so there is nothing here. We simply return 0. Next step is to declare a variable sum, which we will use to accumulate the value during the recursion. And now it's time for a first check. If low less than or equals to root.val and root.val less than or equals to high, which means this is exactly what we are looking for, a number which is between low and high, inclusive. Then we simply sum that value with the total sum, which is in the first sum is going to be 0, so we sum that node. Next step is to keep walking on the tree. One thing to note here is that it is a binary search tree. So a binary search tree means that everything to the left of the node must be less than the node, and everything to the right of that node must be greater than the node value. As you can see here, 10, next node is 5, which is less than 10, and 3, which is less than 5. Likewise, 7 is greater than 5. On the right side of the tree, we can see that 15 is greater than 10, and 18 is greater than 15. So we can use these properties to just to guide us where we should go. So we say if low less than root.val, that means we need to go to the left of the tree. Left, again, passing low and high. And again, if root.val is less than high, less than or equals to high, then we add walking to the right side to our calculation. Okay. The last step here is to return the total sum, which is the full result of all recursions that we're gonna walk the tree. In the end, that's gonna unwind, and then we can simply return that last value. Cool. Let's try running our code and see what's gonna happen. Taking a little while. Okay, I just made a mistake here. That's high. G8. Run the code again. Yeah, this time no typos here, so it all passed. Now let's try submitting our code. And yeah, we just got the results here. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. Please click on the like button, also subscribe to our channel. That's helped us a lot. And also leave some comments if you have any questions. Okay, see you guys on the next video.